guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of what's going to be going on the F-150. I got these wheels from RockTrix. I'm really excited to get it on. I already pulled off the film and everything, but check this out. I really like these wheels. They're pretty awesome. I have a fondness for these split spoke wheels. It has a really nice concave look. These are 17 by 9s, negative 12 offset. We're gonna throw some tires on these today. They won't be going on the car yet because we still have suspension and stuff to do, but I just wanted to do a quick rundown of the specs, and once we get the tires on, I'll show you guys what it looks like with the tires on it. But we're going from a 20-inch rim, which was stock, to a 17 by 9-inch wheel. So we're gonna see how much poke we're gonna get with this with the negative 12. I wanted to do a positive 12, but they didn't have that anymore in stock, and they said they might not be restocking that size. So I was like, you know what? I'll pull the trigger on a negative 12. Let's see how much it pokes. I was up in the air about doing fender flares, but depending on how far it sticks out, we'll cross that bridge when we reach it. Al already added the TPMS sensors, which we got from Motorcraft. I'll throw a link to where we got them from. Hopefully they work without a problem. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you think of the new wheels, and I hope you stay tuned and check out the other upgrades we're going to be doing to the F-150. All right, guys, if you like the video, like, share, and subscribe so you can keep track of what's going on. Thanks. All right, guys, so you got the BF Goodrich. These are the KO2s. Just got them installed. These are 285 70 17s. I think they're gonna look good. This is a quick kind of idea of what it's gonna look like on the truck. Idea of what it's gonna look like on the truck. I think it's gonna look sick once we get all the suspension and stuff done to it. But yeah, quick look. We still have a couple of videos before we get to this, but stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.